Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel another day and other topic. So today we are going to learn how we can convert master data relationship into the lookup relationship. But before that, let me give you a quick recap of our previous video. And in our previous video, we have created two relationships into the Salesforce. One is lookup and other is master data relationship. For lookup relationship, we have like make a field on book and student object, which are custom object in the Salesforce. And for master data relationship field, we have created on book histories and book. So yeah, that's it. But let's get into the org so that I can explain you that how we can convert these fields into each other. So let's dive in. Okay, coming back to our Salesforce org, I'll just quickly go to the setup on the right side of the org and I will click setup. Then we will go to the object manager, and because we have created our master detail on the book history object for the book, and we have linked the book and book histories through master detail relationship. So it is very important that before converting your master detail into the lookup field, your roll-up summaries should be deleted from your book object. Let me explain you what I'm trying to say. If you go back to the object manager, and if I'll write book and click book and then go to the field relationships. So because book was the primary object, so you need to make sure that your roll-up summary should be deleted from your primary object. If you don't delete your roll-up summaries from here, then you won't be able to convert your master data relationship into the lookup field. I will demonstrate you first that because we have roll-up summary over here, then we won't be able to convert our master detail into lookup. So I'll go back to the book histories, and then fields and relationship. And if I'll click like book and edit, then you will see that there is no button like change field type populating over here because we have roll-up summaries in our book object. So first, if you wanted that the change field type field should be populated over here, the button should be populated over here, you need to first make sure that your roll-up summaries are deleted from the object. So I'll go back to the object manager again, and I'll go to the book, fields and relationship, and I will delete this roll-up summary. It is saying that you really wanted to delete this custom fields and it will be appear in the recycle bin. You can just have it back from the recycle bin, and I just wanted to like delete it, so I will click delete. And now we have deleted the roll-up summary, but it is important that it should be deleted from the recycle bin too. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the change field type button on the master data relationship. If I'll go back to the object manager and I'll go to the book histories again and fields and relationship and book and edit. See, you still won't be able to see the change field type button over here, although you have deleted the roll-up summary as well. So you need to make sure that roll-up summary is deleted from your background environment too. So I will just quickly go to the Salesforce Classic. So you need to make sure that it is deleted from your recycle bin too. So I'll just quickly switch my org to the Salesforce Classic. And then we will go to the setup. So we will quickly go to the objects. And then I'll go to the book. And then you can see 2 deleted fields. You have to click over here. And then you need to erase it permanently. It will show a pop-up where it is confirming that do you really want to delete it, because it will be deleted permanently. Yes, I wanted to, so I'll just select it and delete. Now it has been deleted. Now I'll go back to my Salesforce Lightning Experience org, and then I'll go back to the setup again. I'll go back to our book Histories custom object, field and relationship. Now we will again click in this field to convert it into the lookup relationship. Edit. See, now you will be able to see the button over here, the change field type. So I will click it and I will change master detail relationship into the lookup relationship, and I click next. And if you wanted to add any lookup filter or anything, or just keep it like the same, or anything you want to do, you can customize it from here, and then click save. And now you can see that we have converted master detail relationship field into the lookup field. If I'll go back to our Salesforce org, so if we go back to our book histories custom object where we have just converted master detail relationship into the lookup relationship, and if I'll click new, then you can see that it is not required now. So this is the, as I told you before, that this is the major sign of recognizing that lookup field is changed into no master data relationship, or master data relationship changed into lookup field or not. So yeah, I hope you understand that how we can convert master data relationship into the lookup relationship. I hope my video will help you in understanding of these topics. So this is it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.